Those bugs are out in force today. I think they're getting a little mad because winter's coming, but I do feel like a little nip in the air. I do, and that makes me happy. It really, really does, because I'm sick of this hot weather. I know I keep going on about it. Anyway, beautiful midweek meal. Simple midweek meal. Blackened chicken. Blackened chicken. Love it. Very popular in the South. People love it down here. I used to make hundreds and hundreds in banquets when I worked in banquets. And it's beautiful. And also I love blackened salmon as well. That's a good one as well. So I'm going to do a little side dish with it. Some green beans, tomatoes. Very, very simple. Anybody can make this. Anybody can make this. So yeah, I'm looking forward to showing you. Let's crack on. Shut up! Let's crack on. Okay, first let's make the seasoning mix. And try not to buy at the store. Making your own is so much better. Add paprika to a bowl, followed by garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, cayenne pepper, salt and pepper. Give it a good mix and put it to one side. Quick and simple. Next, get your chicken ready and cover the chicken. And I mean cover them with the seasoning on both sides, and don't be shy. Add olive oil to a pan on a medium heat. Add the chicken and blacken for about 2 minutes on each side. Now it's all about heat control. You don't want to burn the seasoning. When blackened, transfer to an oven or an air fryer. I'm using an air fryer. A good rule of thumb for any normal sized breast is to cook at 350, 20 minutes. You can't go wrong. Now for the side dish. You can have this with any meat really. Dice onion, add olive oil to a pan, add the onions and sweat for about 2 minutes, just to wake them up. Add green beans, a few large tomatoes cut into quarters, some chopped up garlic, and water. Now bring to a boil and reduce until the beans are cooked. When it's been cooking for a bit, you can remove the skins easily with some tongs. At the end, add lemon juice and fresh parsley. And the great thing about this side, it creates its own sauce without you having to do a thing. Just check for seasoning and you're done. When the chicken is cooked, take out and rest for about 5 minutes. There you have it, a fantastic, easy, delicious midweek meal. So what did you think? Blackened chicken. Simple dish, isn't it? So simple. Anybody can make this. Great midweek meal. And that smell, the shed smells amazing. And it just brings back some memories back in the day when I used to do hundreds of these. Hundreds. Used to cook hundreds of chicken. And it's great on fish. Amazing on fish. Same spice mix. Use the same spice mix on all meats, all fish. Amazing. Simple. And some people are going to say, Steve, that looks a bit burnt, that, don't it? A bit black. If you haven't made blackened chicken before, I highly recommend that you do. Give it a go. It's simple to make. And yeah, thanks guys.